Hi guys, this is Nick Khatri. I'm from Melbourne. I came to India to do some study and look after my mum, and same time I really wanted Dimple, so I came to Dr. Rajat and he did dimple on my one side cheek, as you can see, and I'm very happy with the result. So I found Dr. Rajat on Recto, and before him I went to another doctor in Pitampura. I was not satisfied with the doctor because the way she was telling me, I felt she just want my money, and then I found Dr. Rajat. So I came to him for the consultation, and the first thing I was really impressed with him because he made the mark on my cheeks, which that doctor didn't do it. So I was thinking this is something new I'm going through. And so basically I'm from Australia, and in Australia dimple creation or the any surgery is very expensive. So I decided to do this dimple through Dr. Rajat, and the hospital gave me really good care, and even like after surgery they gave me proper room for 2-hour rest. And even I was like really inpatient during my treatment. Dr. Rajat always gave me the time to come and see him, and he told me what's the next step will be as well. So as you can see the result, it's here, and it's healings as well. So dimple was very important for me. I always wanted dimples. That's why I think my favorite actress was Preeti Zinta, because she is a dimple queen. So I always wanted dimple, and I was not sure like you can get it done through surgery as well. So I asked price in Australia, it was very expensive, so I came to India for dimples. So it's very important to me, and I'll totally recommend this doctor or this clinic to my friends because they are very responsible. They have all kinds of treatments: laser, hair transplantation, dimples, anything you want from the cosmetic surgery they have. This clinic is really clean. The staff is very friendly. Every time I call, they always welcoming, always calling me sir, always giving me the appointment on time. Even after surgery, nurses looked after me as well. So yes, I'll definitely recommend this clinic to the people for the future.